In this video, we're going to have a look at how to back up and restore WhatsApp chats on the iPhone. Let's dive right into it. First of all, what is important to know is that we will use iCloud to back up WhatsApp chats on the iPhone. However, this is not something you need to be worried about, because if you do have an iPhone and a functional Apple ID, you automatically also have iCloud. So you actually won't need to install anything additionally. Now let me show you exactly how to get this done. First of all, please open up the Settings app. Then on top, tap on your name. Next, select iCloud. Then, under Apps using iCloud, make sure that iCloud Drive here says On. If it doesn't say On, tap on it. And make sure that Sync this iPhone is toggled on. Once you've done that, still under Apps using iCloud, tap on Show All here. Scroll down and search for WhatsApp. Make sure that WhatsApp here is toggled on. If it is toggled off, toggle it on. Once you've done that, from the bottom of the iPhone screen, swipe up to go back to the home screen. Now please head over and open up WhatsApp. In the lower right corner of the screen, then tap on Settings. Then search for Chats and tap on it. Then tap on Chat Backup. And this is where you can back up your WhatsApp chats and videos. If you would like to indeed include videos in your backup, make sure to toggle on the Include Video option here. At the top you can see when the last backup has been taken. Maybe you have automatic backups set up. In that case, WhatsApp actually automatically backs up on a regular basis. But in any case, even if you didn't have this set up, you can take a manual backup right now. So have a look at the last backup date here, and if this is not up to date, then simply tap on Backup Now to take a backup right about now. So we will do that. So I tap here on Backup Now. And this could take quite a lot of time, depending on how much activity you actually have on WhatsApp. Please also make sure that you have enough free storage space on iCloud in order for the backup to be performed successfully. Now we have finished our backup, and we can see that here on top by checking the time of the last backup. So it says here today 15:29 and the current time is 15:30, so this is definitely the backup that we just took. If you would like to have automatic backups in the future, then you can tap here on where it says Auto Backup, and then choose whether you would like to back up WhatsApp daily, weekly, or monthly. I will leave this on off for now. So now that we have our backup, we will go back to the home screen, and we will now talk about how to restore a WhatsApp backup. In fact, you can restore this backup on any iPhone. So for example, if we are going to delete WhatsApp on this device here, we can then restore it. However, you can also restore this backup on a new iPhone, for example. So if you get a new iPhone, all you would need to do is to first install WhatsApp, and you could then choose to restore the latest backup. Let me show you how this works. I'm going to show you on this device here, but in case you're using a new iPhone, it works in the exactly same way. So let's jump on in. First of all, I'm going to long tap here on WhatsApp. And we're now going to temporarily remove WhatsApp because I want to show you how to restore it after installing a fresh copy of WhatsApp. So I tap here on Remove App, and then I tap here on Delete App. To confirm, I have to press here on Delete as well. Now WhatsApp is deleted. To install WhatsApp, be it on this device or a new iPhone, what you have to do is to go to the App Store. Then at the bottom, make sure that the Search tab is active. And then on top, search for WhatsApp. Then tap on WhatsApp here in the list. Now look for the WhatsApp app. In our case, it's actually here the second result. As we had previously installed WhatsApp on this device, you will simply see the cloud icon here. However, if you're doing that on a new iPhone, for example, you will simply see Get instead. If you see Get, then simply tap on Get. If you see a cloud icon because you've already installed it on the same device, then you can simply tap on the cloud icon. This will download and install the WhatsApp application. Once the download and the installation is done, you can then simply open up WhatsApp from here by tapping on Open, or you can also swipe up from the bottom of the screen and then open up WhatsApp here from your home screen. So let us tap on Agree and Continue now. Then decide whether WhatsApp should be able to send you notifications or not. In my case, I will select Allow here. Then type in your mobile phone number and change the country here if necessary. And once you've done that, tap on Next. And this is where you have to pay very close attention, because as you can see here, it actually says, restore your chat history from iCloud. You will not be able to restore later if you decline to restore now. So we absolutely need to make sure that we are restoring it right now. And to do so, you can either tap on Restore here in the upper right corner of the screen, or you can also tap here on where it says Restore Chat History. Let me just tap on it here to restore it. Once it is restored successfully, you will see the amount of restored messages right here. Once that is the case, you can tap on Next in the upper right corner of the screen. Now all that is left for you to do is to enter your nickname, and we're also going to allow WhatsApp to access our contacts, so we tap here on OK. The media is now still restored here in the background. This might take a while as well. And once that is done, we are all good. Our chat history is fully restored, as you can see here. Mission complete. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe for more WhatsApp and iPhone tutorials.